This video is a condensed demonstration of an ultra-low leak horizontal economizer installed on a Carrier, Bryant, or ICP unit with a Vane Axial Fan. Begin by removing the filter access panel, indoor coil access panel, and horizontal return air panel. Next, remove the unit control box panels and indoor blower access panel. Remove the inner control box panels. This will allow you to install the W7220 controller and route wiring into the blower compartment. Install the economizer over the return air opening. Remove the factory jumper plug from the 12-pin harness and plug the factory 12-pin plug into the economizer female plug. Install the economizer outside air panel, filler panel, and return air blank off panel. Mount the W7220 controller assembly next to the unit control board. Using the adapter kit that is shipped with the unit, connect the jumper plugs to the 10-pin harness connected to the W7220. Ensure the wire colors on the mated plugs are aligned. Disconnect the 12-pin male plug from the unit control board and connect the 12-pin male from the W7220 in its place. Connect the 12-pin female plug from the W7220 to the male 12-pin plug we removed from the unit control board. Route the 4-wire harness into the indoor blower section. Then mount the mixed air sensor in the indoor blower section. Connect the pink and violet male quick connects to the 4-wire harness to the pink and violet female quick connects that are loose in the indoor blower section. Connect the 2-pin plug from the 4-wire harness to the mixed air sensor. We will finish the installation by updating the W7220 controller settings for our application. Arrow down to System Setup and press Enter. Then arrow down to AUX 1 out. Press Enter. Then arrow up to SYS or System and press Enter. Press the Escape button. Then arrow up to Set Points and press Enter. Arrow down to Minimum Position High, adjust the setting, press Enter. Then arrow down to Minimum Position Low and adjust its setting, then press Enter. Press the Escape button and reinstall all unit panels. For additional detail and setup instructions, review the install instructions provided in the Economizer parts bag.